Roundup, what up? Chris Haskins, it's your boy. My mission to raise your financial literacy through real estate investing and entrepreneurship. I've been wanting to make this video for so long, but I can never do it because it's always dinner time for me to show you how you get more. I realized it took me 40 years to figure out how to get more, right? How to get more houses, more whatever you're looking to do, right? So we're getting ready to have dinner. I know my wife is like, what's this fool doing? She's smiling over there. I know I can read her mind. I can read her mind as I've been married.
You said you're not a mind reader, remember?
I can read my wife's mind. But anyway, listen. Don't mess with me tonight. Roundup. I'm gonna show you my secret. How I learned how to get more whatever you're looking to do. Here it is. Here's the thing. So, oh yeah. Here's analogies. I gotta talk to you. The master teacher talked through analogies, right? I got my red snapper. I got baby Preston crying over there. Terrell's over here looking crazy in the hat. My wife taking strawberries. My red snappers, this is going to represent your more, what you're looking to do, right? Your more houses, your more deals, your more business, and more whatever, money, right? This is the deals, but let me show you what the problem is. This represents you. You come along, right? You come along. You got all the deals. Ain't gonna fit. Oop, my head getting cut off. Ain't gonna fit, right? Look, the snapper falling off. This is you. All the deals, all the money, all the increase. You're looking crazy. You're looking crazy. So round up. Let me show you. It's real easy how to get more. Let me show you. You got your red snapper, right? Your sexy red snapper. It looks, oh, it smells so good. I'm going to be grilling it with my sauteed veggies. Oh, I can always taste it. Here's what happens, Roundup. You got all the deals, right? Here's you. Check this out. Boom. Fits right on the plate. Real easy.
Wow.
Now, what do you think about that one, Till? Did I do that? Did I do that?
I didn't know this was possible. Like, wow.
Round up. Let me show you. So what happens when you're the plate? Here you come along, right? The fish sitting right on there. It's sitting right on there. Then guess what happens? You get a possibility. Say you want to get some more deals, some more money, some more increase, some more whatever you're looking for. Guess what happens? It can fit right on the plate. It can fit right on the plate, Roundup. You got room for more deals. You got room for more money. You got room for more people to grow in your life. You got more room for business. But you can't do it looking like this. If you are this, you can't hold on to anything more. Okay, so Roundup, the moral of this quick story here is my training. Become more and you get more. If you're walking around with this small dish right here, only so much is gonna fit. Only so much is gonna fit. Man, I've been wanting to make this video for you. So become more. You are the plate. Become a bigger plate. You can put more stuff on your plate. Make sure you subscribe, like the content, share with somebody else that's trying to get more increase. Talk to you later.